I'm gonna take a picture of that. What the hell is that? Hold on.
Tampons, wipes. Call please a minute.
D, come look at this.
Let me show you something. I put the camera from the other side because the pipe is clogged right now.
Okay.
And look, the problem. Paper towel never stay like that. See? I put the camera on. Wipes.
Wipes?
Yeah.
We don't have wipes.
We don't have.
I know, but
Yeah.
That's not coming out from like the main line out in the street?
no, because look, I put the camera like that, so the line from street it's 100% empty. Look, it's 5 feet down, so it's impossible to come out from the street.
And
You might want to.
paper towels versus.
Yeah, I mean,
wipes
toilet
versus.
paper never say that because the paper towel in water is dissolved, you know.
Right.
It never
Gotcha.
sit in the pipe, the paper towel. Because the paper towel in water is
It'll break
dissolved,
up.
you know.
Yeah.
And is this being recorded?
Yeah, I record it from that side because I push from that side, from here, and it was hard to push in more, you know.
Yeah, that's bad.
So I put on this side, you know, because the pipe now is clogged. If you flush like 10 times more, it's overflow.
Yeah.
So now I have to go to bring the rotting machine.
Okay.
You see? It's something with red, you can see, right?
Yeah. I see it off to the
Red
side.
paper towel, toilet paper, don't
Looks
have.
like a receipt.
You see? Looks like a
Ball.
yeah, something, you know, it's like, you can see, right? With black stuff, red stuff.
You know what I mean? It looks like something balled it up and flushed a wad.
That one is clogged in the pipe, you know. So this one, I'm going to bring the locator to see exactly what it is. There is where is the line? Because the line is coming like that. And I locate it when I put on that side, it's here.
Yeah.
So the problem is the camera is somewhere here.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm going to bring the locator.
There's orange juice on it.
And as he
There you
hears
go.
at the can.
It's got a couple of eggs in it too.
There's some sort of orange thing. It tastes like orange juice.
This orange juice in it.
It's better than coffee in my book.
Yeah.
I have a hard time drinking hot things in the morning.
It is like, you know, a bunch put together and so it's exactly here. The camera.
So you're telling me it's impossible for that main line to get backed up and plug our place? Yeah. I figured.
So
I
it's
just
like-
want to hear it from you
Yeah.
directly.
It's
And
like
you would need a ton of rain to
feet.
bring it back up.
Exactly. And push back.
They need to push it back, you
Yeah.
know. Like the one where Sunday when it rained like crazy, that was
Now you
them
can see
backing
that
up.
happen. Yeah.
So it's exactly like right here. And like here, I located first time, so the problem is it's
In that area.
In this area.
Okay.
I mean, the problem is they throw away everything. What not supposed to throw away.
Yeah.
I mean, you guys don't have the wipes in the bathroom, but
No,
people they have
they're
it in the
taking,
bathroom.
they're taking paper towels and stuff into the bathroom, because remember, every time I find them in there, I take them
Take
back
them
out.
out. Right.
Yeah, so it's bad because people don't understand, you know.
They've been notified numerous times.
That's what I'm saying.
And I saw
You've been
the
told,
toilets
right?
are, you guys replace the toilets, exactly?
Now,
The toilets are replaced, somebody replaced the toilet.
Yeah.
I mean, no reason, honestly.
because they know.
And I saw this one are less water, like how we installed. Because we installed like 1.6 gallon and I saw it's 128 gallon, so it's less water. So you see. Now I try to unclog with this one, you know.
Morning.
What's up?